Taurus, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your December reading. And this will be a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. And please remember to check your placements before watching the reading. This is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So if your message does not lie in this reading, it might be in some other placement of yours. So please watch your readings accordingly. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Also, this will be a general, this won't be love specific or career specific as such. It will be very general in nature. So, whatever message comes out, I will read it accordingly. Okay, let's go ahead and let's begin. Let's see, Taurus, what is coming towards you in the first part of December. First part of December, from 1st till the 10th of December, what energy is coming towards you? What is coming towards you? What will be your energy like? What is coming towards you in the first part of December? Let's find out. What is coming towards you in the, I'm sorry, just a second. Okay, yeah. So, in the first part of December, what is coming towards you? What is coming towards you in the first part of December? Let's find out what is coming towards you in the first part of December. In the first part of December, what is coming towards you? So, in the first part of December, Taurus, you will be a little disappointed. I don't know, heartbroken over something. Why is it so? We'll find out. So, the first part of December, from 1st till the 10th of December, will be filled with a little bit of disappointments here and there. We'll find out why, and we'll see if it is to do with your career or it is to do with your love situation. Whatever it is, we'll find out shortly. Okay, I think it is to do with some sort of message or communication. Let's see. Let's find out. So, let's clarify the sorrow card for the first 10 days of December. For the first 10 days of December, let's clarify the sorrow card. For the first 10 days of December, let's clarify the sorrow card. For the first 10 days of December, let's clarify the sorrow card. Okay, so what is the sorrow card like? What is the sorrow card like? What is sorrow card like? And what does it bring along with it? Let's see. Let's see, Taurus. Okay, so the sorrow card here is about, you have the Page of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Justice card. So in this, I think I told you it will be regarding some sort of communication. You can see that we have the Page of Pentacles there, which is some sort of communication might come towards you, and you know, it will be regarding some turnaround of situation, and you will feel it is not justified. You will feel it's very unfair, and the communication might not be in the correct manner. Maybe some rude words might get exchanged, and you will feel that it is unfair, and this does not align with the correct turn of events. That is what you will feel. And suppose, let's say, this is a message which is to establish some sort of yeah, okay, fine, we'll talk about that later. Anyhow, we have also the Temperance card, so it will be to establish some sort of equilibrium in the situation, but you won't be very happy about this message or communication that will come towards you, because you are not prepared for it, one, and second, you are not happy with how the communication has been placed towards you. Okay, that is what I can see, and you don't think that it can give you anything positive in return as well. That is how and what you feel towards the situation. Okay, there is imbalance, not exact balance, but imbalance, no fairness, no balance. That is what you feel. Let's see, let's find out the second part of December, that is from 11th till the 20th of December. Okay, 11th till the 20th of December, what will be your energy like, Taurus? What will be your energy like? What will be your energy like? What will be your energy like? What will be your energy like for the next 10 days of December? Let's find out for the next 10 days of December. What will be your energy like, Taurus? Let's see. What will be your energy like? So, your energy will be focused on yourself. Okay, you will be very focused on yourself. You will try to sneak away or run away from any situation that do not serve you. You will also try to not exactly manipulate, but you will try to give a false impression to people that something is working out or something is happening or something is going on. You will also try to give a false impression of some sort. That is what I am getting. Okay, we'll find out more, but what I get is you will be focused on yourself more or less, and also you will be trying to give you'll be wearing a facade of some sort, hiding your emotions, hiding your true self behind it. At the same time, you'll be manifesting a life for you. You will be working on yourself majorly. Let's clarify this existence card for you. Let's clarify this existence card for you. I'm sorry, just a second, let me just pick the cards. Okay, so let's clarify the existence card here for you. Let's clarify the existence card here for you, Taurus. What is the existence card here about? 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 What is the existence of? I don't know why cards are falling like this. Is it because you want? I mean, you people might have a lot to say. That's why the cards are flying out. Why is the existence card here? Why is the existence card here for the second part of December for Taurus? Let's find out. Why is the existence card here for the second part of December, Taurus? Let's find out. Why is the existence card here? Okay. So you will be focused on some sort of movement. You see the Eight of Wands, and you see the Ten of Cups and the Hermit. So you'll be alone. You'll be trying to be alone at this time. Uh, it's a very happy energy, very nice energy. So you will receive some sort of communication, or someone might travel towards you, and this might be related to some sort of life goal of yours, some sort of life purpose. Whatever you're trying to manifest will come towards you. A positive news, a positive communication of some sort, you might receive it, and it will help you majorly in your life ahead, in your life forward. Okay, you will also move apart from all sorts of manipulations, mind games and everything, because you will recognize people who are faking it, and whosoever will be faking it and whosoever will be wearing a facade in front of you, you will recognize those people and you will distance yourself from those people. Okay, and this will also help, this will also bring in some sort of harmony in your family dynamics, I see. Okay, you'll be coming out of that hermit energy. Also, you've been in a hermit energy since quite a long time now, and you'll be coming out of that hermit energy. Also, I see some sort of family event or gathering, get-togethers happening in the second part of December, that is 11th to the 20th. There will be a lot of family gatherings that will be taking place at around this time, so you won't be alone. You might have been in a hermit mode since quite a long time now, and you have been trying to figure things out by yourself, manifesting a life for yourself, recreating everything in every way possible. But now things will change. It will be like you will be focused on your family dynamics. A very happy atmosphere. You'll be surrounded by a very happy atmosphere and very happy surrounding, very happy place, I would say. Okay, let's see. Let's see the last part of December. What does it hold for you, Taurus? Last part of December, from the 21st to the 31st of December. What does it hold for you? In the first part, you don't seem to be very happy. In the second part, I see things working in your favor, family dynamics, happy environment, home environment, and everything, and fresh beginnings in your own existence. I mean, whatever your goals are, you'll be doing that. Okay, let's see. Let's find out the last part of December from the 21st to 31st. What will be your energy like? What will be your energy like in the last part of December, Taurus? In the last part of December, what will be your energy like in the last part of December? Let's find out. Last part of December, what will be your energy like? Let's find out. So, for the last part of December, you will be holding back. Either you will be working highly on your savings, or you will be holding yourself back, uh, trying to understand or figure out a situation basically. Okay, you'll be trying to figure out more. You will try to refrain from speaking a lot, because what happens is when we are continuously speaking, we do not get an idea about the situation. When you are quiet, you tend to observe more and learn more, and then if you react after analyzing the situation completely, that is when your judgment is usually correct. So you are holding back just to understand the situation accurately, and then you will make the move. So let's find out more. Let's clarify the Miser card for you, Taurus. What is the Miser card here about? 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 Let's clarify it. Let's clarify the Miser card for you. Let's clarify the Miser card for you. So the Miser card here is, okay. So you are holding back from love because you don't have much clarity on the situation yet. So you have the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is heavy on emotion, heavy on love, as you all know. Then you have the Seven of Pentacles and you have the Ace of Swords. So you are holding back from love, you're waiting it out to receive more clarity on the situation. You don't have clarity on the situation yet. I told you, you are observing things carefully so that you can make the correct decision, and this will definitely help you. I'm telling you, you shouldn't react quickly to any situation. If you feel that it requires some um, putting thought to it or something, then you should wait it out and give it some time, and then only you should move ahead in the situation. You shouldn't do anything in a haste if it is really really important for you. So this is, I think this is something of very high importance that is coming towards you. Also, it is related to love, what I feel from it. So this love energy, you will be like, in this energy, that you will be giving things a hold on at this point of time, right? Let's find out the last thing, that is, what will be overall guidance in the situation, Taurus? What will be overall guidance in the situation, Taurus? What will be overall guidance in the situation? Let's find out what will be overall guidance in the situation. Let's find out what will be overall guidance in the situation. So Taurus, overall guidance is friendliness. Try to be a little friendly, keep it friendly, be open to new dynamics, new possible connections. Even if your world has fallen apart, if you have suffered a heartbreak or some sort of destruction in your life recently, you need to open your heart chakra to new connections, new possibilities as well. Do not remain stuck. So that is your guidance, Taurus. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you, Taurus. Thank you. Namaste.